Hello friends, I am Deepak Kumar from TKW's IBF and today I am come up with a new video which is on physical gold versus financial gold. The investors who are investing in gold and person who are interested to invest in gold, they might get confused in which form to invest, which is the best form, physical gold or a financial gold. Let's first understand the meaning of physical gold and financial gold. Physical gold means buying a gold from a shop in a form of jewelry, coins, bar, that is called physical gold. And a financial gold means buying a gold in electronic form like gold ETFs, gold bond, or digital paper gold. So that is called financial gold. So now let's see the investments. In physical form of gold, when you go to the jeweler shop to buy an gold, so the weight of any item of gold is minimum 8 to 10 grams. So where you have to pay for 8 to 10 grams means your minimum investment in physical form of gold is minimum of 8 to 10 grams. But in a financial gold, you can invest in minimum 1 gram of gold. Your investment size is very flexible. Now come to the pricing of gold. In physical form of gold, the price of physical gold is not uniform. When the price of same item of gold will vary jeweler to jeweler, and in financial form of gold, golds are always priced as per international standards and always transparent. Now let's see the safety of gold. In physical form of gold, the risk of theft and missing gold is always there. And in a financial form of gold, the gold is 100% secured always, as the gold is in electronic form, so there is a no chance of theft or missing of gold. Now let us see the well tax point. In physical form of gold, 1% will be taxed to an investor if the value of gold is more than 30 lakhs. And in financial form of gold, here wealth tax is not applicable, but you have to pay some taxes. In physical form of gold, if investor keeps a physical gold for less than 3 years, then the investor has to pay a short-term capital gain tax as per his income tax law. If more than 3 years, then you have to pay the long-term capital gain. In financial form of gold, the short-term capital and long-term capital gain tax is applied same as in physical form of gold. Now let's see the charges. Which form consume more charges? In physical form of gold, when an investor buy a gold, he has to pay a 20 to 30% of total buying of value of the gold as a making charges. But in the physical form of gold, you only have to pay 1% every year as in brokerage charges of rupees 0.5% or less. So let's see overall profit or returns of the gold. Which firm is giving more profit or more return? In physical gold, actual return is calculated as current price of gold minus buying price and minus making charges of an ornament. For example, current price is 150 and buying price is 100 rupees and making charge is 25 rupees. So when we minus 150 minus 100 minus 25, so overall we get a return of 25 rupees. And in financial form of gold, actual return is calculated as current price of gold unit trading on stock exchange minus buying price and brokerage charges. For example, current price is 150 and buying price is 100 and brokerage charges is 2 rupees. So 150 minus 100 minus 2 is 48. Here overall return is 48, which is more than the physical gold. So we get that in financial gold we get more profit than a physical gold. So friends, I hope you understand that which form is best to invest. So thank you so much